I want to bring in our Chief Foreign Affairs anchor, Martha.
Here's
Raddatz.
the real news,
Martha,
folks.
You spent a lot
Nothing happened. It was all symbolic.
What do you make of this announcement?
Even ABC saying
that they successfully intercepted this attack, and what does that mean for future retaliation?
Well, I've actually been inside that base there in Qatar, and the command center, the heart of air operations, really the heart of the region for the U.S.
All right, what really happened?
I am frankly not surprised they successfully intercepted the missile attack, because they do have air defenses there in Qatar, in the air base there. And what I've heard from the Iranians is not a surprise at all. They are going to claim, as Ian and James have both said, they are going to claim that the missile attack was successful for their domestic audience. They have been crushed in the last few days by Israel, by the U.S., and they have to, in many ways, stay safe. And